Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can change language on ASUS Monitor in few steps. So what you'll need to do is go right here and click on this button right here. This is the turn off button and this is the menu button. So click on that one. Then let's go to the menu again, and using the arrows scroll down until you see system setup. So let's go to the system setup, scroll down to OSD setup, and right here you will be able to find language, and you'll find a language, and here you'll be able to change to the language that you want. So that's how you change language on ASUS Monitor. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.